Well, it's time for another video from Carver Clan Travels, and what we're going to be doing in this video is looking at what do you do on a sea day. So here's the agenda. We'll talk about the Oceania schedule on a sea day, some options and scenarios you can explore, and then we'll move to a quick summary. So options, here are three different variants that I see often on cruises, and oftentimes these will get mixed in. So you can have a workout day, a recovery day, or an O points day where you've got lots of social interaction going on. You will find that the gym is going to be very busy on a sea day. You're also going to find that the specialty restaurants are going to be very busy on a sea day. So on a workout day, you get about 1,200 other passengers, depending on which size ship you're on, that are going to try to use the gym to work out. So if you decide to do that, you want to be early, like when it first opens, or you want to be really, really late after the rush has occurred. Second, you want to be courteous on the use of the machines, especially if people are waiting behind you. And different ships have different time limits when there are people waiting, but normally it's 30 minutes. And like I said, sometimes you want to wait later in the day. The early overachievers can come in, get their workouts done, and then you can move on and do something else. Sea days are also great days for the specialty restaurants or for spa reservations. And so this is a day that you want to, again, plan ahead for when the specialty restaurant reservations open, or while all that crowd is going to the gym, you go down to the specialty restaurant table and try to get a reservation. Now, given how popular it is, again, this may be an opportunity where you want to sit with another couple because that'll allow you a greater chance of actually getting a table. As for my wife, she likes a late breakfast followed by some spa, afternoon tea, dinner at a specialty restaurant, and then we do entertainment and potentially go upstairs and go dancing for the last hour or so. So again, think about what you want to do as part of your recovery day and how that will work out. It's also a good day to work in social time through the Big O events. There'll be a lot of them going on. The crowds will be a little bit larger than normal because people are not out on shore excursions, and thus there's an opportunity for more socialization and more linking up with your friends during the Big O events. And then finally, this is a great day for media. You can go up to the library, you can watch the movies that the ship provides, you can play computer games. It really depends. All of those are great opportunities to go out. There may be a lecture that you can go see. There may be a cooking class or a wine tasting that's ongoing. But again, those are all things that you can do on a sea day. So it's your day. Plan out what's a good fit for you, depending on where you are in terms of your activity pace. Are you really, really tired? May want to do a couple of, that late breakfast option. If you're fully charged and ready to go, hey, hit the gym early on, and the way you go, maybe hit the gym twice, a second time later in the day. So in summary, there are plenty of options on a sea day. Experienced cruisers, when they see a sea day, they don't groan. It's a day for activity as well and a day for recovery. If you're going to work out, be early or be very late, as it's going to be crowded. If you decide on O points, it's also going to be more crowded, more opportunities to socialize. And if you decide to recover and make it a media day, enjoy. There are plenty of nooks around the ship where you can find exactly what you want to do. All right, very good. That brings us to the end of this really short video looking at what do you do on a sea day. If you like it, go ahead and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.